Welcome to the Traders Hub, where you can learn today and earn tomorrow. So today we are going to discuss about one of the trending stock, which gives like a huge returns in going forward. If you hold for at least like 2 months or like 1 month for a short time period, you can see a lot of growth stock. And before starting that video, and my request is here, so please subscribe to my channel. Here we have 320 subscribers so far, so we uploaded 10 videos so far, and you can see previous videos as well, my profits in the stock market 2023. And yesterday I posted one of the fundamentally good stock video, HFCL share. Even you can go through that video as well to know more about the HFCL stock. Okay, without wasting our time, let us get into the video. And today we are going to discuss about the ALOK Industries. So nowadays, in the past 1 week, we can see major rally in the ALOK Industries. So personal my view in the ALOK Industries, I am on bullish side in the ALOK Industries. So if you see, this is the chart of the ALOK Industries. And let me draw the trend line as well. This is the trend line from the bottom side. So we need to add all lows and all highs as well. Okay, so this in the day range, it got broken in the day range and it is going like as a rocket. Okay, yesterday the stock traded around like 28 rupees, and today if you see this candle, 5 rupees, almost 5 rupees, it got 5 rupees got increased in this stock, almost 18% in this stock. This is the technicality of the stock. And if you can see here, if you can see the volumes over here in the past 2 to 3 days, the volumes of the ALOK Industries is very high. The major players were involved in this stock. So this is in 2023 June. Here you can see the lot of volumes, and here you can see the lot of volumes. Every time when we see lot of volumes, definitely there is a lot of momentum in the stock. So this is the technicalities about the ALOK Industries. So my view on the ALOK Industries is it can reach up to 35 to 40 rupees also if you hold for like a short term, 2 to 3 months. I suggest you to please hold for at least 2 to 3 months, not more than that. If you feel that whatever the profits you gained is sufficient, then exit from that stock. Okay, this is the analysis of the from the chart pattern. And if you go to the fundamentals of this stock, let us type ALOK Industries. And ALOK Industries is as we know that it is trading around 32.4 rupees, and the market cap of ALOK Industries is 16,133 rupees. And this stock has around 23,900 crores of debt. This we need to remember. Okay. And so we all know that yes, the recently lot of volumes were increased. Even stock price also got skyrocketed in the from last 2 to 3 days. And yes, here the sector of this stock is the textile stock basically. So ALOK Industries is that market very large cap stock. This is the market cap around like a 16,133 crores. And in the same time we need to remember the debt as well. Okay, and this is the top one stock in the textiles. And if you see the quarterly results here, the interesting fact is that we need to understand from the 2020 September it keep on continuously booking the losses. If you see 35, minus 35, minus 500, minus 98, minus 84, minus 0, minus 27. Likewise, from in 2023, we need to see minus 298, minus 226, minus 175 rupees, minus 175 crores rupees. Okay, so they are keep on booking the losses only. If you see year on year, so they are last year. In 2023, they booked around like a 880 crores loss. Okay, this is the function of the ALOK Industries. And if you see the shareholding pattern, this is the very interesting. Again, promoters are holding this stock from the 2020 as a 75%, and they are keep on continuing the same 75% of the holding. Okay, my view on this stock is even now also you can enter into the ALOK Industries. If you get some good profits, at least I request you to please at least invest like a 30,000 rupees or 20,000 rupees, whatever it could be. So when you feel like the profits is enough, just come out from that stock. So I personally suggest that this is the if you look at the fundamental, so it's a fundamental, it's not a great stock, but coming to this perspective, currently this is a hot stock, right? Definitely you can enter into this stock, take the profits and get out of from the stock itself. And this is about the technicalities and the fundamentals. And recently there is a news, if you see ALOK Industries, if you go to the news, here you can see ALOK Industries share price target 2024 back-to-back fresh higher after Mukesh Ambani led Reliance mega investment. So this is the news. Mukesh Ambani has invested in this stock, but there is no official confirmation. But still, the stock is in the hot stock. Definitely, you can enter into this stock. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. As I said in earlier videos, I'm going to upload each and I'll post my analysis, whatever the analysis in these videos. And again, this is only for the educational purpose. I am not recommending you to buy and sell the stocks. So if you have some time, please go through the HFCL stock, and also the very important one, my stock market profits in 2023 as well. Please go to that video as well, because recently I identified one of the new strategy. So where I'm not seeing the losses from couple of days, I'm not seeing the losses. So I'm seeing only the profits. So please subscribe to my channel. So likewise, I'll recommend more shares for you to get into that. So if you already take this ALOK Industries, please comment in this video on which price you took this stock, and please like and subscribe. Thank you everyone.